office of the Darbar Shnat Hima Mautamur Soyong Lingdoship on Friday had objected against the report filed by the Ribhoi Regional Committee on the 8th of December 2021 regarding the border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya. In this connection, a delegation of the Darbar had also submitted a letter to the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. The regional committee is under the chairmanship of Deputy Chief Minister Prestun Tensong, MLA Dasakyat Lamare, Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner and other officials. The General Secretary of Shnat Hima Nongwa Mautamur Soyong Lingdoship, PF Nongrang, told reporters that the main reason that has led the people of the area to be in such a deep state of disagreement is due to the inclusion in the report of the Ribhoi Regional Committee of some parts and areas which fall under the jurisdiction of the Lingdoship of Hima Nongwa Mautamur. Nongrang urged upon the Ribhoi Regional Committee to also include representatives from the Lingdoship in the said committee.
Balai bangi kwa ban pengpau kada walau bangim suya hab iru da ka burom yakini ki riurang ba kino yalam ban burom jungi ha ka jingi dei bat ka de ki sok nek joki kada walau ka ban kong kalong ba ngi kom kino sencha ki badai pek di jungo yak te Shnat Hima no motomor ha ka jingi dei ban perkhat yakani ka border issue nakwa banyathu akhmat jongpi barakhmat kari khasi ka bai jogi berkejala ka bai jogi kandiat laseng yakane ka Hima ka Shnat Hima no motomor nadu ka si potret banai bakhat ar snam khat sauspa kaumot kaya tengku bat kadi ka singin riuspa ar kuisnap ngidon hangti ya usunarship jogi wadai na kajai ka kpo jananong bet ha ka jing khme ji jingo jong ring do sayong ringkat bod deputy CMSA badai na jai CMSA bat ka jinglong jingman jo kane Hima ka ya kumta di kisnam bat ngidon ru iki dulir kendau ki babyang hadu kini kisi ki jongi ki pamata hadu kene klip bat ki pamata ngidon ka district council ha ka jisha ka dei banshim ka jingkit kle na ka banta banlum banlang yaki kot isla jong ka Hima khasi ke jong ban bahabakan ni regional committee kadon nak ta ban perkhat ban penbek ya ka border issue pada ke Meghalaya bar ka Assam kadi ban sutu jumut bat kinong sensa jong ka et ka Hima kanang ba dak bayar sutu jumut bat ngi kinong sensa jong Hima nginyo ban pen yaki documents jong di balai ong kumta namar ngimla bancuhun hakata ka polisi kabar kini ki arliang ki setiap bancui perkat dakta ga give antiques polisi klaim da snutu shwa ya la ujong upur usam hisdang nai he namala rangim sutu ya upur usam la jong nang no kasdang kumno tengin ya kren ya kata ka ai kata ka shim ya kata ka jingi perkat ga give antique polisi